November 251 Foxtrot Tango, send to maintain 4,000.
Descent 4,000, 1 Fox Tango.
$10,000.
10,000. Pogorot, yes.
Satellite. Yes. Confirm.
הידראוליקה כל שעה 12, אוויוניקה set לאפרוץ' ויז'ואל.
Pro Challenger 251 Fox Tango, request left and right deviations for weather.
Number 251 Foxtrot Tango, deviation left to right of course approved. When AO proceed direct Wyckoff, resume the arrival.
Left and right approved, direct Wyckoff to resume the arrival, will advise 251 Fox Tango.
Engine anti-ice on?
Engine anti-ice. Well.
Sharp lead him. Anti-go.
Fort Myers approach, November 23 Delta Sierra. We're going to start a slow descent to 3,000 to stay out of the clouds. 23 Delta Sierra.
Number 23 Delta Sierra for my support charger, VFR LT pilot's discretion. There is traffic, 11 o'clock, 5 miles southeastbound, altitude indicates 2,500.
We got him on
Direct Wyckoff.
the Tika, thanks.
Direct Wyckoff. Yes. Half available.
Engaged. Airport in sight.
251 Fox Tango at direct Wyckoff and airport in sight.
Number 251 Foxtrot Tango, roger, and expect your approach clearance to the next controller. Number 251 Foxtrot Tango, contact approach on 134.42.
3442, 1 Fox Tango, good day.
Approach, good morning, sir. 412 Alpha 3000.
Fort Myers approach, Cessna 25426. We have the weather information November and labels.
Cessna 426, roger, thank you.
Approach hello Challenger 251 Fox Tango is at 4,000 airport in sight.
251 Foxtrot Tango, Fort Myers approach, reduce speed to 210.
210 speed, 1 Fox Tango.
71 X-ray traffic at your 1 o'clock now, and about 3 miles is on final Boeing 757. Advising you have him in sight.
I'm on side 217 X-ray.
71 X-ray, roger, thank you. Caution, wake, turbulence, maintain visual separation. When able, turn right, heading 360.
When able, we'll turn 360, 217 X-ray.
November 0 Foxtrot Sierra, turn left, heading 080, intercept final approach course. Thank you. Trio Bravo is here, still waiting on the handoff with the center. We'll get you over to him here shortly.
pone
that
dollar
757 is now descending out of 2,600. When you are able, turn right heading a 020, intercept the final approach course and caution wide turbulence.
Starting 020, 27 X-ray.
7 X-ray, thanks, and caution wide turbulence, maintain visual separation with the Boeing 757.
Zo bij Eindhoven gaat gewenst door Stijn gaat.
November 1 Foxtrot Tango, reduce speed to 180.
180 speed, 1 Fox Tango.
990 Bravo Sierra, contact Tampa, approach 134.25, 3425, good day.
3425, Zero Bravo Sierra,
And 71 X-ray, I would just recommend staying VFR at 3,000 for a bit until we get that 75 to pull away. They're about 4 miles ahead of you now, continuing to descend on final.
All right, we'll keep it at 020 heading and stay at 3,000, 217 X-ray.
7 X-ray, thanks. You'll be established here shortly, and then I'll have a visual approach clearance for you.
Thanks, Billy, 217 X-ray.
Two-4 Delta Whiskey, traffic at your 12 o'clock at about 3 miles westbound. Altitude indicates 3,000.
4 Delta Whiskey, roger, we're going to be turning in soon.
Thanks. Zero Foxtrot Sierra, 5 miles from Kalu, maintain VFR 2000 till established, final approach course, clear to localizer on 5 approach. 71 X-ray, you're now almost 6 miles behind that 767. VFR altitude is your discretion.
It is my discretion, 217 X-ray.
Thank you, and I would recommend you could join on that heading if you'd like, or you could turn right heading at 090 to rejoin the localizer. That'll work out great.
We'll join on this heading, 217 X-ray.
71 X-ray, perfect. Maintain VFR, cleared ILS, runway 6 approach, caution wake turbulence, 6 miles and trail Boeing 757.
Clear for ILS, 06, wake turbulence, 217 X-ray.
Thank you.
Well,
4 Delta Whiskey, first target's no factor, second target's 12 o'clock. 4 miles, they're westbound, they're about to hit the shore of Cape Coral, western shore of Cape Coral by Burnt Store, they're indicating 1,000 feet.
4 Delta Whiskey, roger, we're looking, and we are also clearing.
Roger.
Ik.
Zero Foxtrot Sierra, contact Page Tower, have a good day. (217) X-ray, contact Tower 2875, talk to you later.
2875, see you in a bit, 217 X-ray.
Thanks.
Approach for 71 X-ray, you want us to switch back to you or 19.75?
On the go, it'll be 119.75, 1975 on the go. Thanks for checking.
Awesome, thank you, 71 X-ray.
Cessna 426 for traffic. Are you able to maintain VFR at or above 4,500?
Will maintain VFR at or above 4,500, 25426.
426, that would be great. Yep, you can start that climb whenever you're ready. VFR at or above 4,500.
Roger, 25426.
One Foxtrot Tango, you can continue to slow back whenever you're ready to about 170. The tower's getting a little backed up with departures. We'll give them some room.
Slowing down, 1 Fox Tango.
Thank you for the help.
No problem.
Flaps 10.
Speed checks, flaps selected.
724 Delta Whiskey, traffic no factor.
4 Delta Whiskey, roger.
ראית אפילו כי הססנה הזאת לפנינו, בפנינו ארוך.
Shine.
רואה.
And approach 74 Delta Whiskey Alpha, back into Pagefield.
74 Delta Whiskey, roger. Maintain VFR on your way back in. I'll have you over to the tower here shortly. ATIS Alpha's current there, runway 5's in use. Let me know when you have Alpha.
We have Alpha, maintaining VFR on the way back in, 4 Delta Whiskey, we're on course.
Excellent. November 6 Papa Sierra, climb and maintain 6,000 ident. Legion 3164 Myers approach. Hello. It looks like Punta Gorda just put echo out. Let me know when you have that. Runway 4 still in use. Thank you. 6 Pop Sierra radar contact 3 miles northeast Coral Creek Airport. Climb maintain 10,000, 10,000. November 1 Foxtrot Tango. Turn right heading at 270, descend and maintain 3,000.
270 down to 3,000, 1 Fox Tango.
Fort Myers altimeter is 3015.
15. Check.
Legion 3160, excellent. Descend and maintain 3,000. 1 Foxtrot Tango, turn right heading 360.
360 heading 1 Fox Tango.
Foxtrot, 6 Papa Sierra, turn left heading 040. November 1 Foxtrot Sierra, turn right heading 030, intercept final approach course.
Was that for 1 Fox Tango? 030 to intercept?
Heading 010, intercept final approach course.
010 to intercept, 251 Fox Tango.
Cherokee 724 Delta Whiskey, contact base tower 119.0, have a good day.
Contact tower, have a good one. 724 Delta Whiskey.
6 Papa Sierra, turn left heading 030 on contact Miami Center now 127.2. Good day. Legion 3160, descend and maintain 2,000. November 1 Foxtrot Tango, descend and maintain 1,500, advise airport in sight.
Airport inside, descending 1,500, 1 Fox Tango.
1 Foxtrot Tango, cleared visual approach, runway 6, contact tower 2875. Have a great day.
2875, visual to 6, 1 Fox Tango, good day.
Awesome, direct Larix.
Yes.
Roger.
JetBlue 66, runway 6, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 6, clear for takeoff. JetBlue 66.
Tower, hello, Challenger 251 Fox Tango is visual, 9 miles out, runway 6.
251 Fox to Tango Tower, wind 350 at 7, runway 6, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 6, 251 Fox Tango.
71 X-ray, contact departure on 119.75.
119.75, have a good day. See you on X-ray.
Gear down.
Checks, gear down.
Laps 20.
JetBlue 66,
Laps
contact
20
departure 126.8.
Departure JetBlue 66, good day.
Very green. Flaps 20.
Flaps full.
Flaps full.
Full landing checklist.
3 green, flaps full.
Confirmed.
Lights on, clear to land.
Roger.
And the airport wind is 360 at 7.
חמישים משמאל, 7.
Roger.
$500.
Plus 5.
100.
Roger.
10.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
עוד בחוץ.
Achos.
Reverse deployed. $80 knots.
Roger. שלך.
Jetty.
Number 251 Foxtrot Tango, turn left Alpha 5, straight into the ramp, and contact ground point on her.
Left Alpha 5 to the ramp, 0.9 or 1 Fox Tango.
אחלה.
Come to.
Come to. After landing checks.
Roger. Ground Challenger 251 Fox Tango vacating runway 6 left Alpha 5 to private sky.
251 Fox Tango, Fort Myers ground taxi to the ramp.
To the ramp via Alpha 1 Fox Tango.
Alpha 5. Oh, no. قلته. أحلى.
Lights set after landing complete.
Roger.
Fort Myers ground, Frontier Flight 2026, taxi, X-ray.
Frontier Flight 2026, Fort Myers ground, runway 6, taxi via Gulf, Juliet, and Foxtrot.
Golf, Juliet, Foxtrot to runway 6, Frontier Flight 2026.
And ground American 1842, we'll push it back, Delta 1 for Charlotte.
1842, Fort Myers ground, push back, your discretion, it is X-ray is current, no delays to Charlotte, but 25 miles in trail for all departures out of here.
Roger, thanks.
גם יש לו עוד קריאה של בוס, זה של עדנו. יש לו פרופלורים מגניבים.
Delta 1292 ready for taxi with X-ray.
Delta 1292, Fort Myers ground, thanks for X-ray, runway 6, taxi via Gulf, Gulf 2, and on Foxtrot, you'll be following Frontier, assume about